Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide, and today's video we are going to be installing the LK screen protector on my Samsung Watch Active 2. So the one that I need to install is on the aluminum silver, and we did an unboxing of this already, and it looks like the screen protector on this is larger than the rest of the screen protector that I have already checked out. So we're gonna see how this thing will go once I install it. And I did watch the video. You definitely need to check out the video to do this, because at first when I did an unboxing, I was kind of wondering, what is this? What part is this, or what does it do? For example, the one especially with this portion here, I was wondering, what do you do with this? So now I know what it is. It's pretty much to hold your Galaxy Active 2 in place on the table so that it doesn't move, and the procedure on removing which tab, number 1, 2, in a proper manner sequence. So okay, so let's make sure we've got everything here. We do need the alcohol wipes or pad, and we need the squeegee. So at first, before, I thought this was a liquid installation, but no, it is a sticker installation. And we do need a dust remover. We need the microfiber cloth as well, and one of the dust remover over here. Screen protector is rated pretty high on Amazon. And of course, we're gonna be doing a follow-up on this to see how it holds up, and then we're gonna merge it underwater and see if it's as good as those two other screen protector that I have tested out so far. So let's begin with removing the watch band, and let's turn it off. So it might be a challenge for me since I am actually video recording this. So we know. So you just place it underneath as a base so that it doesn't move around. Okay, so that should be good right there. And then grab your alcohol prep pad and just do a little thorough wipe. Okay, and grab your microfiber cloth. Just wipe the surface, make sure it's nice and dry, and just look at any lint or debris on the screen. We could use our dust absorber over here. So let me take a little closer look. So it looks pretty clean, guys. I don't see anything. If I do see, I'll just use this to pick it up or remove it. So let's just do another final wipe here. Make sure that we are good to go. And let's get going with our screen protector right here. So we have to remove number 1 first. So there is a sequence on removing this, guys. You want to remove 1 first, and then hold the tab on the edge. So you're gonna probably see my head on the camera here, guys, because I need to get a closer look what I'm seeing here, or else I will not align it properly. Okay, so just drop it once you somewhat got it aligned. All right, so it looks pretty aligned here. I could probably lift this up. Oh shoot. Okay, so it's okay. So it looks pretty aligned, guys, as you can see. And it seems like this screen protector is pretty much edge to edge, which is good. So now let's grab our squeegee, make sure that we got this, and just have to get rid of the bubbles. Push it like so. Okay, and then next, let's go to number 2. Make sure that you have it like that. Lift number 2. Okay, and then slowly slide your squeegee. Okay, let me see here. Slowly slide your squeegee like so. Okay. Again, look for bubbles. I do see a bubble on the top there. Okay, now we can proceed. Proceed number 3. The same procedure, lift it up with your squeegee supporting, bend it, bend it. Okay, so this is quite hard to do, guys. All right, it's quite hard doing this. Okay, so right there, and just let it slide out. And again, check for bubbles. It looks like we are pretty good here. Okay, then one more step, just remove number 4. And there you have it. Then use your squeegee to do the final push. And yes, this is edge to edge coverage, which we've been looking for. And it looks like we managed to get it perfectly installed on the first run here. So I'm just kind of cleaning up the edges here, guys. Make sure that it is stuck on the glass, that there's no lift. So from the other installation of my screen display, so far this is by far very technical. You definitely need to follow and watch the video prior to installation, because you will get lost on how to install this. So it looks like it's in there. And now let's just take a little closer look, and let me get rid of all those skid mark there. I don't know if that's the residue from the sticker, or I'm not sure. Let me kind of soak it up here a bit, or that's from the inside. Okay, so this thing might be the inside fold. Oh boy. Okay, so more likely it is the inside fold, guys. Especially when I did the tab removal, it looks like you have to not bend it too much, or else you're gonna have that crease inside, which I am having right now. Let me see if I could push it more. Yeah, so it's inside crease. The line is still there, guys. Okay, but as you can see, it is pretty much edge to edge coverage. So that's how it's supposed to be when it comes to protection. But now I might have to redo this, guys, because look at the inside there. I don't like that. The line is there's a line I don't know if you can see it through the screen, but as you can see, there is a line there. All right, so I'm just gonna stop the video and then I'm gonna pick up when I have it installed properly, that there is no crease or line on the screen display. So I'll see you soon. While I'm in the process of removing this, I'll just show you guys how delicate or rigid this screen display is. So at least you guys have an idea. Let's remove this. Just grab the corners. And so see, as you can see there, I do see that line. And I do notice that the screen protector on this is quite thin compared to the previous 2 screen protector that I've tested so far. So I don't know how it will hold up when it comes to scratch, accidental scratch or droppage. We will find out on the real test when I actually do drop the watch. But let's install another one. Okay guys, so I finally got it installed with several attempts. I actually wasted 2 more screen protector, because the second attempt that I did was that when I did the final number 4 tab removal, the screen protector wasn't stuck on the display. It came off when I was peeling it. So that was a no-no. And then for the 3rd attempt, I did it again and I noticed that there was a bubble. So I screwed up on that part. And then on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th attempt right here now, I did notice a bubble there. So I didn't proceed removing the tab. I had to lift it up again and use the squeegee to smooth it out, and that worked perfectly well. However, I still did notice the crease of the line right there, as you can see. So you really have to be fragile when you are using the squeegee, especially when at the point where you are removing the tab. You have to be gentle when you are squeegeeing the middle part, because you will develop a crease there. So I don't know how many more I have left here. It looks like I have 2 more. So I'm going to continue to attempt a perfect installation, and we'll see how it goes. So cross my finger, guys, that we are going to install this properly without the bubbles and the crease in the middle. And this time I'm going to be gentle when installing the squeegee. When I'm actually removing the tab and then sliding the squeegee across the screen, I have to be gentle so that I don't create a crease in the middle. Let me try to give you that line. See, as you can see there's that crease. You cannot remove it, it's inside. So when it comes to installation, guys, it's a bit of a struggle. I did it before there was no crease, but I had the bubble. So those are the 2 complications that you have to watch out when you are installing this screen protector. So I'm gonna get back to you guys again once I get this perfectly installed. All right guys, so this is the best attempt I can do. I did get rid of the crease in the middle, but look at that tiny bubble right there. If I do lift the screen display, it will pretty much be completely damaged. I will not able to put it down again because how thin the film is. But as you can experience, it is quite difficult to get it perfectly correct for the first time. You do need to try several attempts on it, but I do have 1 more left. I don't want to take the risk of using it, because what if the last one will be worse than what I've got here. So I'm just gonna deal with this, and as you can see that when it comes to installation, those 2 other screen protector that I did install so far are really good, especially the wet one, the wet installation. That one is a breeze, guys. Really easy to install. This one, like, again, it's difficult. And the good thing about this is you do get a full coverage, guys. Full coverage, which is always a good thing. And let's see on the corners here, you don't even see any gap on the edges. You get the full coverage. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I know this video is gonna be long, but hopefully you guys have an idea what the installation is like. More likely I'm gonna probably keep this for a couple of months and then remove it and install the other screen protector that I purchased. But there you have it. Of course, that thing right there is gonna bother me like crazy, that bubble right there. So more likely I'm gonna be removing this within a couple of months or so. So that's pretty much it, guys. So once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.